Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 29th October current affairs. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement. Yesterday we have seen that there is a Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement between two countries, that is India and United States of America. Here, BECA, that is Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement, along with two agreements signed earlier. They are the Logistic Exchange Memorandum of Agreement, that is LEMOA, Logistic Exchange Memorandum of Agreement, and the COMCASA, that is Communications Compatibility and Security Agreement. It completes the trioca of a foundational pact for deep military cooperation between the two countries, that is India and United States of America. These are the three trioca, that is BECA, LEMOA, COMCASA, Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement, Logistics Exchange Memorandum of Agreement, and Communications Compatibility and Security Agreement. BECA will help India get real-time access to American geospatial intelligence that will enhance the accuracy of automated systems and weapons like missiles and armored drones. Here with this BECA, that is Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement, India will have the advantage of the use the American geospatial intelligence that will enhance the accuracy of automated systems as well as weapons like missiles and armored drones. That's why Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement between these two countries is very important. Next one, Dr. Tulsi Das Chegg Award, that is given to CSIR CDRI scientist, that is Dr. Satish Mishra bags Dr. Tulsi Das Chegg Award 2020, given by the National Academy of Medical Science, India, in recognition of his work on malaria parasites life cycle. If you see that about his research, that is his outstanding work focused on secreted protein with altered thrombospodin repeat, that is SPATR, secreted protein with altered thrombospodin repeat, which is essential for asexual blood stages but not required for hepatocyte invasion by the malaria parasite Plasmodium berghei. That's why this Dr. Satish Mishra got the Dr. Tulsi Das Chegg Award for this year, that is 2020. Here, electricity access in India and benchmarking distribution utilities report. Here, Niti Aayog and Ministry of Power, Rockefeller Foundation and Smart Power India launched. These four institutions has launched Niti Aayog, Ministry of Power, Rockefeller Foundation and Smart Power India launched electricity access in India and benchmarking distribution utilities report. If you see that there are some key findings in this report, that they are 92% of customers reported the overall availability of electricity infrastructure within 50 meters of their premises. Here, 87% of the surveyed customers have access grid-based electricity. That means remaining 13% either used non-grid-based facility electricity or not at all any electricity power. We see that another third key finding, that is 85% of customers reported to have a meter electricity connection. That means it has improved the metered electricity connection also. Here there may be a improved condition of 17 hours per a day electricity is there. That's why these key findings that report, that is electricity access in India and benchmarking distribution utilities report, is very important for our competitive exams. Next one, Green Initiative. What is this Green Initiative? In the first funding of NTPC Limited under Japan Bank for International Cooperation, JBIs, that is Japan Bank for International Cooperation, Green Initiative, India's largest power producer today entered into a, that is India's largest power producer, that is NTPC, has entered into a foreign currency loan agreement with Japanese government financial institution for JPY 50 billion, that is approximately dollars 482 million dollars. Here, Green Initiative stands for Global Action for Reconciling Economic Growth and Environment Preservation Initiative. This facility is extended under the JBIC, that is Japan Bank for International Cooperation, outreach for projects which ensure conservation of global environmental. Now we see that global environment plays a key role in this present situation. That's why India and Japan has the make the agreement, foreign currency loan agreement in the Green Initiative. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.